angel. This is the angel.
Get Benji a car. Hey, pretty. Want a hug?
How you feeling?
I'm good.
You look great.
Thank you. You want to stand on this side together? Okay. Just come over here. All right. So, everyone, today we are gathered just to acknowledge Jonathan and to acknowledge Lindsay. We just want to say that we are just so in awe, Lindsay, of your decision to come forward to donate your organ in the time of need. It's a very heroic decision, and we just want to acknowledge you today, okay? And for Jonathan, on behalf of the transplant team, we just want to acknowledge your journey that you've been through and just let you know that we admire your courage and your strength for enduring for this whole time through. Okay, so today we celebrate with you, okay? So on the count of 3, Jonathan, if you want to go ahead and ring this bell, we're going to go ahead and solidify this, okay? 1, 2, 3. Lindsay, you go ahead and you've done your act. You ring your bell, girl. All right. Jonathan, did you want to share any words from your heart?
I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for giving me a second chance at life, and there's nothing I can do to repay that. And I just thank God every day for you.
Thank you for giving me and my husband back and my girls their daddy back. We just really appreciate this.
Do you want to share anything?
I'm just honored to be a part of this. I feel like this was just meant to be, you know. So I'm glad that I could help. Yeah.
Yes. Well, everybody, we thank you for participating and sharing in this joyous moment with us today. Thank you again.